Hey guys, I'm Joshua, and today I'm doing a double reaction of Thomas and Friends All Engines Go and Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Let's start out with Thomas and Friends All Engines Go. Thomas and Friends All Engines Go? Wow, this is the best show ever. This show is about Thomas, Percy, Connor, Nia, and Diesel, and they like to go on awesome adventures. Thomas is so awesome. Percy is so cute and sweet. Connor is the fastest train and the super engine in the world. Diesel is a bit worse than the troublesome trucks. And Nia was the best train engine of all. The animations are awesome. The music is fun, including my favorite song, I'm Gonna Chug, I'm Gonna Chew, I Got a Delivery to Do. It's super. And the sound is so awesome than the original. End of the first reaction. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse? Wow! This is the best show ever. This show is about 7 characters named Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, Clarabelle Cow, Goofy, and Pluto. Mickey Mouse is one of my favorite characters from all the Mickey Mouse series. Goofy is the funniest person in the world. Donald Duck is the awesome person ever. Pluto is the cutest puppy ever. Daisy is the cutest person ever. Minnie Mouse is my second favorite character from all the Mickey Mouse cartoons. And Toodles is the awesome robot ever. And he always gave Mickey the right mouse tool he need. The animations is awesome. The movies are super. And the song is very awesome. And my favorite is this. MICKEYMOUSE. And who liked this show? Everybody does. Okay, that's my salute. Bye.